Your life is built in moments no one notices. Big changes don't ruin lives or improve them. Small decisions do quietly. Most people believe their life is shaped by major moments, big decisions, turning points, dramatic events, but those moments are rare. What actually shapes a life are the small decisions made repeatedly. In the inner ledger, these are daily entries. Small choices don't feel important in the moment. That's why they're powerful. What you do when no one is watching, what you choose when it feels insignificant, what you repeat without thinking. These decisions compound. A single small choice rarely changes anything, but repeated small choices create direction. Direction creates outcome. This is why people feel confused years later. They don't remember choosing the life they're living because they didn't. They drifted there through small, unexamined decisions, choosing rest instead of reflection, comfort instead of discipline, distraction instead of presence. None of these are bad ones, but repetition creates identity. Small decisions train the nervous system. They teach the mind what to expect. They tell the ledger what matters. This is why change feels difficult later. You're not changing one decision, you're changing a pattern. Patterns feel safe, even when they don't serve you. Awareness of small decisions is power. When you notice them, you regain authorship. You don't need to overhaul your life. You need to adjust the smallest recurring choice. One decision made differently today creates a new entry. Repeated tomorrow, that entry becomes direction, and direction becomes destiny. If you want your life to change, don't look for a dramatic moment. Look for the smallest decision you make every day and ask if it's aligned with who you're becoming. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.